So, the front of the thigh, we have the 4 quadriceps femoris. We have the rectus femoris. Remember, rectus and the rectus abdominis are both in the front. So rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, and if I remove this, underneath here is the vastus intermedius. Then if I come up here, this is the sartorius, and you should know that the origin is the ilium, way up here, and then it comes all the way down here, all the way down to the tibia, which is the insertion. Right up here, missing a section, is the tensor fascia lata, right here. I'll show it to you on another model. And then it becomes the iliotibial band, IT band, and it comes all the way down here. When you look up on top, where the vertebrae are, you see that there's a big muscle called the psoas major, or psoas major. This right here is the psoas minor, and this is the iliacus, because this is the iliac crest. So you have psoas, iliacus, psoas, iliacus, psoas, iliacus, right? Iliacus, psoas, iliacus, psoas. You go underneath the inguinal ligament, and by the time you get below it, this is the iliopsoas right here. So you just see how they join to make the iliopsoas. Right here, going horizontal, is the pectineus. The pectineus is in the front, and think of the pecs for the chest is in the front. So this is in the front. When you look at the inner thigh, you should look at the pubic symphysis. The middle one is the gracilis, the back one is the adductor magnus, and the front one is the adductor longus. So you have 3, and you should put your fingers like that to help you see it. They're all vertical. When you go to the back, here is the gluteus maximus, and with the gluteus maximus you can still see the gluteus medius below the iliac crest. Okay, so you would be below that. Anything above it is going to be the oblique. So this is the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius. Even when you remove the gluteus maximus, you still have the gluteus medius, but now you can see of it more. Gluteus medius, just memorize in this order. Gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, piriformis, and then this is the sciatic nerve, and you don't need to know anything down here. So the piriformis is in the back, the pectineus is in the front. That's the difference. In the very back of the thigh, you can see that there are 3 muscles. Those are the hamstrings, and then in the bottom they separate. The one on the lateral is called biceps femoris. Don't confuse it with biceps brachii. And then this side you have the 2 semis. Semitendinosus, T for the top. Semimembranosus is underneath. It's kind of wide, so you can see it on both sides here. Okay, semimembranosus. And that's it. And then what I'll do is